Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to attach emails to calendar events in Outlook. Now, before we begin, there's something important you should know. In the newer version of Outlook on the web, Microsoft no longer allows you to directly drag and drop an email into a calendar event the way some older desktop versions supported. But don't worry, because there's still a very effective workaround that lets you keep all your important email details connected to your meetings and reminders. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to copy email content into your Outlook calendar events so you can keep everything organized in one convenient place. Let's get started. First, open your Outlook. After opening successfully, you'll arrive at the Outlook dashboard. This is the main area where you can access your inbox, calendar, contacts, and other Microsoft tools. Next, direct your attention toward the left side or top left corner of the screen and click on the calendar icon. This will open your Outlook calendar view, where all your meetings, reminders, and scheduled events are stored. Once you're inside the calendar section, click the New Event button. This opens the event creation window where you can enter all the details for your meeting or reminder. Start by typing a clear title for the event. For example, you might enter something like Client Meeting, Team Review, Appointment Reminder, or Project Discussion. After that, choose the correct date and time for the event. If the event lasts longer than an hour, make sure you adjust the ending time as well. You can also invite attendees by entering their email addresses if this is a shared meeting. If needed, you may add a location or even create a Teams meeting link directly from the event window. Now let's focus on the main workaround for attaching email information. Scroll down until you locate the event description or notes section. This area is extremely useful because it allows you to store detailed information related to the meeting. Since direct email attachments are limited in Outlook Web, this description field becomes the best place to include important email content. Now open the email you want to connect to the calendar event. Carefully review the message and decide which information is important to include. This could be confirmation numbers, addresses, schedules, instructions, links, project notes, or important conversations. Once you identify the content you need, highlight the text using your mouse. Then copy the selected content by pressing Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. After copying the information, return to your Outlook calendar event. Click inside the description field and paste the email content using Ctrl+V or Command+V. You should now see the copied email details appear directly inside the event notes area. One nice advantage of this method is that you can continue editing the information after pasting it. For example, you can organize the content with bullet points, add spacing, include reminders, or type extra notes underneath the pasted email text. This makes the calendar event much easier to review later, especially during busy workdays. Another helpful tip is to include the sender's name or the original email subject inside the notes area. Doing this can make it easier to trace where the information came from if you need to search for the original email later. You can also paste multiple emails into the same event if several conversations relate to one meeting or project. Before saving the event, take a moment to review everything carefully. Double-check the event title, date, time, attendees, and the pasted email information. Making sure everything is accurate now can save you time and confusion later. Once you're satisfied, click the Save button. Your calendar event will now appear in Outlook along with all the important email details stored inside the description section. Although this method isn't technically the same as attaching an email file directly, it still works extremely well for keeping meeting-related information organized and easy to access. It also prevents you from constantly switching back and forth between your inbox and your calendar while working. And that's it. Now you know how to add email content to Outlook calendar events using the built-in description field workaround in Outlook on the web. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more Outlook tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.